school fees. Others, when I said we have reduced capitation, we have just confirmed that capitation has been received, in fact, earlier, before the schools opened. That capitation has not reduced. Capitation remains 22,240 for senior school, 15,000 for junior school, and 1,500 for primary. In fact, we are working towards raising the one of 1,500 to 2,300 in the next budget cycle, so that it is raised and conforms to the recommendations of the Presidential Working Party that recommended that primary school capitation be raised from 1,450 to 2,300. That's what we are doing now. So let us avoid creating anxiety in the hearts and minds of the parents. And you can imagine the parents who, during that period, could not be sure whether we have raised school fees or not. And yet they knew, these leaders were aware that that position of government has not changed. So we want to encourage leaders, even as you try to, get political mileage in your statements, try and do it elsewhere, not in the education sector. Because the anxiety you create, which is unnecessary, affects not just the parents, but a lot of the students as well, and might even have serious implications for those. But that's why we are saying, even as we are doing this placement exercise, we are alive to the fact that some students sometimes can even go into depression if they do not get the schools they want. So we are alive to that fact, and we are saying, let us listen to them, so that if there is a possible to change a student from one school to another, depending on the capacity of the schools that they want to move to, we will do it, so that as much as possible, our students are in the institutions of their heart's desire.